Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited to share with you guys my holiday maintenance process. You guys, please watch till the end. As you can see, I have already done my nails. I am just filing it to the length that I want and later use a normal top coat to just give it a shine. I injured myself the last time I was brushing the carpet. That's where I got the scarf from and it makes me feel so uncomfortable. I really don't like the way I'm feeling right now. It's my dad 2 years ago. So whenever this period, like from now to the end of the year, my mood, God please help me. Since I washed my hair yesterday, this is how it is. Can you imagine? I don't know what to do. To spray it at least a bit. This blower was not working for me, especially if it was yesterday when my hair was wet. It should have been better, but now the way my hair is thick, this is what I was looking for. Let's see. This is what I don't like. If you eat this light down, it's will pass by you. Okay. The reason why I don't love using a styling gel, it always left the white shade on my hair. That's why I love that black styling gel. My hair is slowing. Slow. So I'm just going to leave it like this till tomorrow then, because I have a makeup video again to film. I'm going to use the glitter spray. I started filming a video yesterday and okay, yeah, this is the continuation though, so that's why I don't like this gel. Seriously, my lip is so dry. Let me apply some oil, guys. This oil, this is so good, like especially this Harmattan season. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it well. Harmattan. Yeah, so I'm filming a makeup video for Christmas. Just to do the edges, let me just spray all over my my hair in time. Where are you running to? I shaved my eyebrows this morning when I was taking a shower. I love this one than this, and each eyes I will use 13, so I don't want it to be too much. This is all the 13 I need to add again. It will not be the same because I'm not a professional. I'm just trying my best. Yes, but at least I did it. I like this. This is my left hand. I don't know, anytime I always do this, my right side first, then after I do my left side. But because it's my left side, I am so careful. Even when I'm doing my nails too, my left side always come out very nice. And guys, this is so lovely. If I want to get my contour line, this is how I do. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.